Pero dito siguro, 1 year, 2 years na sa nag-church, you're still struggling to pray. You ask God to teach you how to pray. Wala dito, the power of God is irreversible. Ibig sabihin, kung ang abilidad mo ngayon ay ganyan na, hindi ka babalik sa hindi ka na marunong magdasal. No? It's the power of God. It's irreversible. Pero ang hirap, ang hinahanap natin halimbawa sa mga kabataan ganito, dapat kayo nang nagpipreach dyan sa labas. It's stages. We should not confuse the growth of each other. Kahit dito sa buong church, iba-iba ang stages natin ng paglago. Hindi ibig sabihin, nauna sila, kasama sila dun sa kung paano nagsimula ang church 40 years ago. Hahanapan mo sila ng ganito. Iba-iba. Merong naunang nahuhuli, merong huling nauna. So that's what the Word of God says. But, one thing is for sure, your growth, mga kapatid, walang lumalagong paurong na Kristiyano. Uulitin ko, The work of God in you, it's irreversible. Unless it's not the real work or power of God. The same power that germinates the seed will sustain the growth in every stages. To its appointed end. Yung paglago natin, mga kapatid, it's progressive. Ang sabi nga ng mga reform, it's effectual. No? The work of God in you is effectual. It will accomplish its purpose. You are becoming faithful as years go by, and you're not becoming prayerless as the time passes by. No? Hindi man pare-pareho ang ating growth sa isang church na kinabibilangan natin, sa ministeryo na kinabibilangan natin. What is certain is, the same God who permitted the seed will bring it into full grain in His own time. Hindi tayo ang maghahanap sa ating, ba't ali ka pa makantini? O tali ka pa makanian? Because it's not in our power. We should not demand it from our brothers and sisters. Maybe what we can do is we can pray for them. No? Or little by little, kung turuan natin sila. No? But one thing we know, Philippians 1:6, He who began good work in you will bring it to completion. No? Tayo pong lahat, we are all at the mercy of God sa ating paglago at sa ating mga bunga.